Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Provisions of the Central Bank Act allow our country to control its economy and not hand over the economy to IMF and World Bank. I see that there can be no basis to allow some landlords to collect dollars in Nigeria's rents. There can be no basis to collect school fees in Nigeria in dollars. There can be no justification, right, for paying for certain services in dollars in our country. And we are challenging the government to trade with countries that are prepared to accept the naira as a medium of exchange. It's already going on among the BRICS. You know, there's an organization called the BRICS. So there is a new international economic order, and Nigeria must be part of that struggle to challenge the dominance of the dollar. Thank you.
Innovated with 37 billion naira. So if you add, please, I'll round up now. Please, the 70 billion naira added with 40 billion naira for acquisition of exotic cars. That is 110 billion naira. If you divide 110 billion naira by 360 constituency, federal constituency, 305 million will go to every constituency. We are therefore asking the National Assembly people, if you want to make sacrifice on behalf of the Nigerian people, put that money in an account so that your constituency can have 305 million naira per constituency. And we must start with Lagos State. We must start with Lagos State. So when we go back, we must go to our constituency. Insist on a meeting of constituency with senators and House of Rep members and make your demand. Secondly,